So we're going to do a fun soap on this day. And I always wanted to be in this soap conversation, and I never knew that we were going to do this.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. Today I am going to be making a very fun, very easy summer craft with my two kids, Lily, who is 5 years old, and Will, who is 4. We're going to be using this awesome kit from Brambleberry. They sent this to me a while ago. It is their cute animal soap kit. And so without further ado, please welcome Lily to the soap studio. Come on in, Lily, come on in. Hello, how are you? Are you looking forward to making this soap?
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, cute animal soaps.
Sparkles.
Sparkles. For fragrance, yeah. There's some more stuff in there.
Oh, wow.
Do you know what that is?
Soap.
Yep.
What is this? Wow.
Wow. This is our soap mold. Ooh, I think there might be one more thing.
I'm in a video with you.
Oh, good. I'm glad. Okay, would you like to open up the soap mold? Here you go. I'll hold it. You pull.
We get to make a monkey.
Yeah.
So it's a doggy and a cat, and I don't know what that is.
Here, maybe if I turn it this way, it'll be easier.
Oh, and an elephant.
There you go. Okay, I'm going to go get a couple of things to help us heat the melt and pour soap. I'm going to get some things to help us cut the melt and pour soap. So you can stay here and talk to our friends while I go get the stuff, okay?
So we're going to do a fun soap on this day. And when I'm done, you see my brother William come in. And I always wanted to be in this soap conversation, and I never knew that we were going to do this. So I just wanted to chat around or something. And we make these cool little soaps that's little cool, and we're going to put them in this, and Mom's going to get the heater, so going to be pretty good.
Hi.
Hi, Mama.
Were you just chatting with our friends online?
Yeah. Who is watching us?
Well, there's no telling. You can see some of our soap options here. Which type of soap do you want first? If you want one that you can't see through, we'll use the white. If you want one we can see through, we'll use the clear. Which one do we want to do first?
Not see through.
Not see through? Okay, so that's going to be the white. And then what sort of color are you kind of hoping to make?
Blue and red. So I'll just have these together and make.
Okay, and then what sort of fragrance would you like? Do you want the pineapple, papaya, or the lime? Both. Okay. Do you want to unwrap this? So you want to pour 2 colors together, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll have to go get another thing to microwave, but we will do that. So why don't you dip this in here, and then you can brush the inside of the elephant. Yeah. Wow.
So glittery.
It is so glittery. All right. So then...
I need some more.
You need some more? Are you sure you need some more?
Yeah. I'm just so happy.
Okay, I'm gonna go melt down the first round. We will get our blue and our pink ready if you want to take those out of the mold. Okay. And then we'll pour and fragrance the soap too.
Alright, bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, I'm called Lily. Lily and Mama are going to do this soap together, and it's gonna be great. So I'm pulling out these little tiny things. We are gonna wait for Mama. So if you would like to watch us all videos, that's gonna be great. Because everything comes out. Once I rinse, go. It looks like melted chocolate.
Yeah, it does kind of look like melted chocolate.
It looks like milk.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so because you want 2 colors, I'm going to split this into 2 different containers, and then we can add our color, and I'll let you stir the color in. So let me split it, and then you can stir the color in and pick how much color gets to go in. How much color do you think you want?
Like that much color.
Okay, let's start with this. Put it in. You can mix it, and then you can see if you want any more. Wow, so pretty.
We have pink. And we have blue.
That's right.
So we're mixing up them, and they look like a mermaid tail, but they're not really a mermaid tail. They're going to be like Soapy, soapy, soapy.
All right, so now we're gonna pick out some fragrance. I'm gonna let you squeeze it in.
Oh.
Okay, you can squeeze that in. Very good, and I'll get you some more for the blue. Yeah, can you smell that? It smells amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Great job. And now we can pour them into your mold. So these have cooled a little bit, and if you want to do both of them at the same time, you can get a swirl, or you can pour them one after the other. It's up to you. Yeah, very nice. You can switch at any time. Ooh, beautiful. Ooh. And you can see how full it's getting, so you can add a little more blue if you want. All right. You want to do the kitty cat? Beautiful. Ooh, super swirly. So cool. All right, those look so pretty. Okay, so if you hold this and you spritz the top, all the bubbles will pop. What color? Yeah, so that's probably enough. Just because you can see how the glitter's kind of clumping up in the corners, that's not gonna go all the way into the mold. Okay, how much yellow are we hoping to get here?
This is like a half.
A half? Whoa, I think that might be more yellow than we need. So how about we try this much? Because that's gonna be really bright. Do you want them mixed together? Because if you do mixed together, it'll be green.
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll just do a little of this and a little of this to get us some green. So why don't you put in these clear soap pieces and those colored soap pieces, and I'll go heat them up. Also, maybe we can add some glitter when I come back. Okay, I did my very best not to mix it. So very, very slowly, if you will mix this, because that is very hot in there, so you want to be careful. Beautiful. It's okay, it's okay. You can keep pouring. It's all right, you've got plenty in there. You can pour a little bit more.
Can I put some on my kitty?
Yep. Very nice. All right, well, don't pour it in if you don't want it in. Do you want it in? Oh, okay. All right, very good. So why don't you spritz these with rubbing alcohol to pop all those little bubbles? Great job. Well,
Pretty good.
Okay, we're gonna let this sit for about an hour and then we'll come back and check it out.
Okay.
We are back and it's time for Lily to unmold the soaps that she made. Ah, he looks great. Look at all that shiny glitter. You're doing good pushing. All right, now peel it off. Wow.
He's so glittery. Look at those pretty stuff we made.
Okay, Lily, so do you think that other children would enjoy this soap kit?
Yes.
Okay, and do you think Brambleberry did a good job putting it together? You like all the colors, the smells, the shapes?
I like.
So you'd say kid tested, kid approved?
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, I guess it's time to reset everything and go get Will.
Yeah.
All right, let's go get him. Okay, so we had a lot of fun with Lily. I can't wait to see what Will does and what he thinks about this. And without further ado, come on in, Will. Come on in. So, Will, would you mind telling everybody how old you are?
4.
You're 4, okay. And what are some of your favorite things that you like?
Playing with my toys, riding my tractor.
Riding your tractor. Those are some good things. So here we have an elephant, a kitty cat, a monkey, a puppy, a frog, and a penguin for you to choose from. You like the monkey? Okay. What color would you like for your monkey to be?
Green.
Green. Okay, that's a great choice. Now, let me show you some fragrances. This fragrance is called Lime, and this fragrance is called Pineapple Papaya. Which one do you like? This one, the Pineapple Papaya? Okay. Do you know what 2 colors we mixed together to make green? From the 3 colors here, if you had to pick 2 to mix together to get green, which one do you think they'd be? Blue, that's one of them. What's the other one you think you might use to get green? Pink, that's a great guess. Yep, yellow, that's the one. So blue and yellow together make green. Can you put 6 cubes of melt and pour into this cup? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, that looks about right. I'm gonna add about 3 more. And then I'm gonna cut you some little slices here of these color blocks to help you make a green soap. Now I'm gonna go heat this up, and then when I come back, we'll mix it, and then you can pour it into the soap mold, okay?
Okay.
And we'll add our fragrance too. So feel free to chat with our friends here while I go mix up your soap for you.
This be good. Penguin. Penguin happy. Now I'm going to see Rachel.
All right, this looks about right. Now here is this. So you're going to stir this very carefully because it is very hot in there. And the more you stir, I believe you'll find the greener it gets. And then we'll put in your fragrance and you can pour it in. Now, do you want to add some glitter to the inside of your soap or maybe into the mold?
Some glitter inside the soap.
Okay, great. Well, we can do that. All right, here you go. You want to dump that in? Oh, excellent. And then you can mix that up. That is a beautiful soap.
I just want it just like that.
Oh, all right. That's how you want it? Well, that is looking beautiful. Okay, you're going to pour very slow and very careful. Wow, good job. That's such a good job, Will. I'm so proud. Keep going, keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and stop. Beautiful job, honey. That looks great. And we even have a little bit left. So would you like to make one that's kind of all mixed together? You want to pick another mold to put this into? All right, the penguin. Pour the rest right into the penguin there. Great job. Yes, you'll just let it drip, drip, drip right into there. Will, you're doing such a great job. Now I will take this for you and then you can tell me, is there another animal you would like to put soap into?
Yes.
All right, which one is it? The kitty and the elephant. Okay, so what color soap would you like to put into the kitty and the elephant?
Same color as these.
The same color? Okay, we can make that happen. Can I make a suggestion? I suggest this time you do the same color, but this time we use the white soap. How about that?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Why don't you put about 8 pieces of the white soap into our cup? And since we're doing the same color, we won't even wash it. Let me go heat this up for you. That looks so pretty in there. Are you ready to mix it up? You'll have to mix very carefully because it's very hot, okay?
I just mix it how good I mixed it before.
Okay, great. That's good to know.
That's how I want it to be.
Do you want glitter in here?
Yes.
Okay.
I put it in by myself.
Oh, okay.
Without
You got it?
you.
Oh, okay. You got to scoop it in there. Wow, that is going to be sparkly for sure. Beautiful job. Wow, so shiny. The micron size of the 𝘊𝐵𝐼𝐻 glitter is very small, so it makes it look shiny without feeling really nasty and gritty. Beautiful. Are you ready to pour?
Yes, I would put it in.
And stop. Beautiful job. You can pour all of that into the kitty. Wow. Now for these, I'm gonna give you something special, all right? Now, we're gonna spritz the top of these. You see all these little bubbles here? When you spritz them, all those bubbles will go away. Oh, you did it. Good job. Did you see all the bubbles leave? Here, look, watch those. Oh, they're gone. It helps all the bubbles leave for your soap. Ready to do the next colors? Mm-hmm. Okay, Will and I are gonna keep pouring apparently until this whole thing is filled up, and then we will come back and we'll show everybody the soaps when we unmold them. All right, we are back the next day. Will is ready to unmold his soap. So here's what I would do, Will. I would turn the mold over. Can you turn the mold over? There you go. Good job. And now you can push, push, push on some of these things. Here, let's do this one first. I'll hold it up for you and you push, push, push. There you go. Push, push. There you go. See it coming out? Oh. Wow, your very own soap. Here is the soap. Look how beautiful. What a fun marbling effect on the back. Wow. It looks so cute, buddy. Do you love it?
Yes.
Oh, good. I'm glad. Let's get another one out. Woohoo! Your monkey. So cool. I'll push on that kitty cat. Wow, kitty cat. So pretty. Good job. Wow. So nice. Ooh, that one smells so good. I bet that's the one we put the lime in. These look so good, Will. Amazing job. All right, Will, I have 2 questions for you. 1, did you have a good time with this soap kit? Yeah. Okay, good. Number 2, do you think other kids would enjoy making soap with this soap kit? Yeah, why is that? Why do you think they would enjoy it?
Because they get to mix it.
They get to mix it with a stick. I mean, that's a good reason to enjoy something. Awesome. Thank you so much for joining me today to make some soap. It was a lot of fun. Thanks guys so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you Brambleberry for such an amazing kids soap kit. You guys know I have tried so many different craft kits on this channel. This has my 100% approval. It is high quality fragrance oil. It's a high quality silicone mold you can use over and over again. The melt and pour is fantastic. It is definitely professional grade. You can't go wrong. There's free shipping on the kit. I'll leave it down below. Thanks again for watching and we will see you guys in the next video. So until then, have a royal day and bye for now.
Bye.